Actress Kangana Ranaut started her new week on a nostalgic note. The actress shared a childhood picture of herself on Instagram. In the picture, Kangana can be seen dressed in white and purple color frock. The actor revealed that she does not remember playing with children and her favorite thing was to make fancy gowns and clothes for her dolls. She captioned the post, "As a child, I don't remember playing with children. Even then, my favorite thing to do was to make fancy gowns and clothes for my dolls, and I love to contemplate for hours on end. Hence the deep, thoughtful, mature eyes. Unfortunately, some of us are born old, and I am one of those." Meanwhile, on the work front, Kangana is currently shooting for Thalaivi in Hyderabad. Thalaivi is an upcoming bilingual biopic of late Jayalalitha. The film will trace the journey of the late leader from silver screen to politics. Actor Varun Dhawan on Monday confirmed that he has contracted the novel coronavirus while shooting for a project. Sharing a picture of himself on Instagram, Varun wrote, "So as I return to work in the pandemic era, I have contracted COVID-19. All precautions were taken by the production, but still nothing is certain in life, especially not COVID-19. So please be extra careful. I believe I could have been more careful. I see the get well soon messages and my spirits are high, taking each day at a time. Thank you." Varun was shooting in Chandigarh for Raj Mehta's upcoming film Jug Jug Jio when he contracted the virus. Several reports have stated that Neetu Kapoor as well as director Raj Mehta have also tested COVID-19 positive. Shoot of Jug Jug Jio has reportedly been put on hold for now. Television celebrities surely know how to put their best foot forward when it comes to owning red carpet looks. Zee Rishte Awards 2020 were held in Mumbai on Sunday. From Ankita Lokhande to Kundali Bhagya actress Preeta aka Shraddha Arya, many celebs looked their stylish best at the event. Among others who attended the award night were Juhi Parmar, Shabir Ahluwalia, Sriti Jha, Krishna Kaul, Mugdha Chaplekar, Pearl V. Puri, Ruhi Chaturvedi, Chetan Hansraj, and Sanjay Gangnani. Several Beaton celebs have expressed solidarity with farmers, seeking the repealing of the 3 new farm laws enacted by the central government. Our farmers are India's food soldiers. Their fears need to be allayed. Their hopes need to be met. As a thriving democracy, we must ensure that this crisis is resolved sooner than later, Priyanka wrote on Twitter. Sharing a picture of protesting farmers, Preeti wrote, "My heart goes out to the farmers and their families protesting in the cold in this pandemic. They are the soldier of the soil that keep our country going. I sincerely hope the talks between the farmers and government yield positive results soon and all is resolved." Sonam Kapoor shared a series of pictures on Instagram from the ongoing farmers' protest. She captioned the post, "When tillage begins, other arts follow. The farmers, therefore, are the founders of human civilization." Daniel Webster. Actor Ritesh Deshmukh wrote, "If you eat today, thank a farmer. I stand in solidarity with every farmer in our country. #Jai Kisan." Recently, popular singer-actor Diljit Dosanjh was spotted at Singhu border in the National Capital Region extending support to the farmers. Actor John Abraham Eli Abram makes a stylish appearance at the Mumbai airport on Monday. John was seen wearing a blue hoodie which he paired up with denim. While Ellie looked her stylish best in black cords, the beautiful actress styled her hair with a cool braid. On the work front, John has started shooting for his upcoming film Satyamev Jayate 2. The Milap Zaveri directorial also stars Manoj Bajpayee and Divya Khosla Kumar and is a sequel of the 2018 action drama Satyamev Jayate. John will also be seen in a romantic comedy directed by Kashvi Nair. The film also stars Rakul Preet Singh, Arjun Kapoor and Aditi Rao Hydari, while Ellie was last seen in Malang.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.